This assessment asks us to prioritize the substituents according to the CIP rules. We're going to start by looking at what's directly attached to R. So we're comparing here a nitrogen, a hydroxyl, an NH2, and at first, a carbon. So we always look at what's directly attached. When we consider that we're comparing nitrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon, the one that is going to be the highest priority is based on atomic number. So the hydroxyl group, with oxygen being what's attached first, will be priority number 1. The two nitrogens have the same atomic number, so they're tied at this point. Carbon has the lowest atomic number and will therefore be priority 4. Distinguishing between the two nitrogens, we need to look at what's attached. This nitrogen here has 2 carbons attached. Carbon has a higher atomic number than hydrogen, which is what's attached to this nitrogen. And so this substituent will be priority 2. The NH2 will be priority 3. So in the event of a tie, we move to the next atom.